Look at this sandwich! It's the biggest and tastiest lunch ever! I am so hungry! Hey! What are you doing? That's my cheese! Come back here, you little thief!
You can't escape! I will catch you!
Give me back my lunch.
Woohoo! Look at me! I am the king of the sky! Fly, kite, fly!
Whoa!
Wait! Help! I am tangled! Someone get me out of this mess!
It's not funny. Stop laughing and get off my head. I am very angry.
Oh no! Rain? Just my luck! At least I have this leaf to stay dry.
Hey, little guy, you look cold. Come here. There is enough room for both of us.
See? Sharing is caring. This sandwich tastes better with a friend.
Hey, friends, did you enjoy our funny adventure? If you did, please smash that like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy stories. See you next time.
Bye-bye!